Hi, welcome to Creator Tutorial Shorts. Now, for this tutorial, we are going to make a logo like this project. So how to do it? Keep on watching. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and please support my YouTube channel by sharing it to your friends so that I will be inspired of making more tutorial video like this. So now let's start to our project. I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2021 and first we must set our project. We must set our project in 4 by 4 and 200 resolution white background, then create. Next, open the ruler, click view, then click the ruler or Control R in your keyboard. From 0 to 4, drag a guideline of 2 inches horizontal and vertical. Then after we put a guide, go to window and lock the guides. Click the ellipse tools, click on the center of the guide. Hold Alt plus Shift on your keyboard, then make a shape. As you notice, there is no fill because the fill is disabled. Then click fill it by black, then duplicate the layer. Click the upper shape, the ellipse tools in the upper layer, fill it by other color. Then Control T on your keyboard or free transform and edit free transform like this. Control T or free transform. Click Alt, then resize the shape. Check the button that it should be in the center of the guide. Then click OK. After that, then click the upper shape, then Control J on your keyboard. Click the text tool. It shows a symbol of text like that, a wavy type. Then click it. Then now put some text. Change the color of the font. This one, then resize the font. Then click OK. After that, click the Control T. I click Control T on your keyboard, then position the text. Click Alt so that it will be on the same target. Then OK. Then click again in the button part of the shape, put some text. As you notice, the text is rotated. Now how to fix this problem? Hold your control, click the button, this button, then drag it to the center. As you notice, there is 2 layers of the text. Double click the text, then this button on the character, then put some amount, then slide it down. Then click OK. So as you see, the logo is in a circle, the text is aligned equally. Okay, now we are going to put some images inside of the green shape. We are going to put this wave, these sea waves in our logo. Okay, so how to do it? Just click image and then right click, then clipping mask. Then how to remove the background, this background of white. We are going to use the magic eraser tool. Then click it. Now it's gone. Next, this image we are going to put it inside the shape. So we are going to do again by clipping the clipping mask like that. Put it in the back of our waves. Then resize the clouds. Now we are going to make these clouds circular distorted type so that it will look circle. We are going to click this warp tool. Now do some adjustments to make it fit. Then we are going to put some strokes. Now it's done. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial video.